Welcome to my head-to-head Vitamix A3300 versus a 2500 comparison. This video will explain all of the key differences between the Vitamix A2500 and the Vitamix A3300 so that you can decide which one is best for you. Links to the current prices for both of the products are in the description box below. Both the Vitamix A2500 and A3300 pack a powerful punch with their 2.2 horsepower motors. These robust engines can handle tough ingredients like frozen fruits, leafy greens, and nuts with ease. The blades on both models are identical, laser-cut stainless steel that stays sharp for years. You'll be whipping up silky smoothies, creamy nut butters, and piping hot soups in no time. Each blender comes with a 64-ounce low-profile container, perfect for family-sized batches. The wide base allows ingredients to circulate efficiently for smoother blends. The A2500's 3 presets for smoothies, hot soup, and frozen desserts offer convenient one-touch blending. However, the A3300's timer lets you customize blend times for any recips. So, although the A3300 doesn't have built-in blending programs, its fully programmable timer does give it exceptional automation as well. The Vitamix A2500 and A3300 both sport sleek, modern designs that'll look great on your kitchen counter. You'll notice the A2500 has a traditional speed dial with preset programs, while the A3300 features a touchscreen interface for a more high-tech vibe. Size-wise, these blenders are nearly identical. You'll find they have the same 64-ounce low-profile container that fits easily under most kitchen cabinets. In my opinion, the A3300's touchscreen gives it a slight edge in the looks department. It's smooth, seamless, and easier to wipe clean. The A2500's physical dial and switches have a more classic feel if that's your preference. The Vitamix A2500 and A3300 both pack a punch when it comes to blending capabilities. You'll find 3 programmable settings on the A2500 for smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts. This takes the guesswork out of blending times and speeds for these common recipes. The A3300 steps it up a notch with a touchscreen control panel. You can set custom blending times and save your favorite settings for quick access. This feature gives you more flexibility for experimenting with different recipes. Both models offer variable speed control, allowing you to fine-tune your blends. Whether you're making nut butters or crushing ice, you have precise control over the texture. These Vitamix blenders aren't just for smoothies though. You can use them to make hot soups, the blades create friction heat, grind coffee beans and spices, knead dough, and create frozen desserts. One standout feature of both models is the self-detect technology. The base recognizes which container you've attached and adjusts blending times and maximum blending speeds accordingly. The Vitamix A2500 and A3300 offer different control interfaces. The A2500 features physical buttons and a dial for speed control. You'll find this setup intuitive and easy to use, especially if you prefer tactile feedback. The A3300, on the other hand, boasts a sleek touchscreen interface. This modern design gives the blender a cleaner look and is slightly more simple to wipe down. Both models include programmable timers, but the A3300's touchscreen allows for more precise time settings. The A2500 has preset programs for smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts, which can be handy for quick blending tasks. The A3300 lacks these presets, but offers more flexibility with its fully variable speed control. Cleaning and maintenance are a breeze for both blenders. They feature self-cleaning functions that make cleanup quick and easy. Simply add warm water and a drop of dish soap, run the blender on high for 30 to 60 seconds, and rinse. This process typically takes less than 2 minutes. Both blenders have removable blade assemblies, allowing for thorough cleaning when needed. The touchscreen on the A3300 may require more frequent wiping to keep it fingerprint-free, while the A2500's physical controls are less prone to smudges. When it comes to accessories and attachments, the Vitamix A2500 and A3300 are pretty similar. As I mentioned earlier in my Vitamix A2500 versus a 3300 comparison, both come with a 64-ounce low-profile container as standard. This large pitcher is perfect for making family-sized batches of smoothies or soups. You'll also get a tamper with either model. This handy tool helps push ingredients down towards the blades, ensuring everything gets blended evenly. One cool feature of both blenders is their self-detect technology. This means you can use them with a range of compatible containers, such as a food processor attachment, a stainless steel blending jug, a dry grains container, and many more.